Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing Visual Studio and selecting only the workloads you need. This saves time later. Once the installer finishes, sign in with your Microsoft account so settings and licenses sync. Next, create a new project. Pick a template, choose the target framework, and name the solution. Make sure to set a clear folder path and Git initialization option if you want version control. These first steps get your environment consistent and ready for coding immediately. Once your project is open, use Solution Explorer to locate files and references. That keeps context organized. You'll type with IntelliSense suggestions and employ refactorings to rename or extract methods safely, which reduces errors. As you run code, set breakpoints and step in or out to inspect behavior. Use the watch and immediate windows to evaluate expressions. Make sure to run unit tests and examine Test Explorer results, so you catch logic issues. To finish, switch to Release Configuration and build the solution. Examine the output and error list panels for any remaining issues. Use Publish Profiles to deploy to Azure, a folder, or a Docker container. Profiles save settings for repeatable releases. After publishing, verify logs and telemetry to confirm successful deployment. If something goes wrong, perform a clean and rebuild, clear new Get caches, and restart Visual Studio. That resolves most environment or package-related failures quickly and predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.